Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you this cool tone glam makeup look. And I think you can actually wear it for any occasion you want to wear it for, but since it's December, I made it for the holidays. But of course, you can wear it for any occasion you want to wear it for. So the first thing I did was priming my eyelids, and I used the MAC paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. And for today's video, I am going to play with this new palette from KKW Beauty. All the products I'm using today, I will make sure to put it in the description bar. This palette in particular is from the newest collection. So I was really excited to play with it because I haven't done a video in a while using KKW Beauty, their products. And I saw some campaign pictures from from Kim Kardashian wearing this palette, and I was like, whoa, I love to do a video using it. The palette has some warm tones and some cool tones, as you can see, but I used that light color first to kind of create a transition. The shade is really similar to my own natural skin color, so it did not really show up the way I wanted it to be, but it was expected because the shade looks really similar to my color of the skin, so it's kind of obvious that it wasn't going to show up. But now I'm going in with this shade, which is a bit darker, and I'm going to create kind of like a darkness to create a really deep set crease. And to make it even darker, I went in with this shade, which I'm using right now, to make it even darker and just to create like a really deep set crease effect, going kind of upwards towards my brow. Normally I would just follow my natural crease line going from the inner corner to the outer corner, but for this eye look I kind of wanted to create more of a different shape, which is my kind of favorite eye shape to wear. I just love the effect that it gives. It just kind of transforms your crease into a different shape that it actually is. Now my camera was kind of acting up the white balance, so I turned it a bit darker because the eyeshadows appeared really light, but they are actually how you can see how it's looking right now. So I'm sorry for that, but I don't know why my camera keeps doing that. It's really weird. So now I used a little bit of concealer, and I'm just using a Sigma Beauty E25 brush, kind of like pressing and dabbing the concealer on top of the eyelid. You can use a different brush, but that will kind of like make it look different. Like normally I would use more of a flat brush, but that will create more of a sharper line. So to use a blending brush, it's gonna kind of make the concealer look more blended and more smudged on top of the eyelid, which I prefer for this particular eye look because it gives a really cool and soft effect, which I love. Now of course everything I'm doing at one side I'm also gonna do at the other side, and I made kind of like a round shape. Then I'm gonna use my finger to apply this color, and I'm gonna apply it on all the places where I just applied the concealer. So the concealer kind of creates the round shape on top of the eyelid in a really soft way, and also it will kind of be a base for this eye look because the eyeshadow is gonna stand out a little bit more because we used a lighter layer underneath, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just using my finger because I love using my finger to apply shimmery colors. I feel like it just gives the most color payoff. So therefore I love using my finger instead of a brush. So now it's time for eyeliner, and I say this in every video, but if you recreate this eye look and you are not a fan of eyeliner, you can definitely skip this step. You don't have to use eyeliner. I think this makeup look with some lashes or a lot of mascara will look really beautiful as well. But I am going in with eyeliner because I love eyeliner. So I'm gonna create a line above the lash line first, and then after creating the line above the lash line, I am going to create my wing liner. I actually love wing liner. I just feel like it gives your eye shape a bit more of a catty effect, which I personally really like. I just feel like it kind of suits me. If you have hooded eyes, you can either go for no eyeliner or only a line above the lash line. I feel like the darkness at the outer end of the eyelid that I created will actually look really beautiful with hooded eyes because it's kind of going to create some smokiness, and with the light shade on the eyelid it's gonna create more light, which will just transform your eyelid. So definitely give it a go if you want. I think it will actually look really beautiful on hooded eyes as well. Then now what you can see me doing is I use some liquid liner, and the one I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, on top of the eyeliner because it actually makes it look even more black. Then I'm going in with this grayish ashy taupey shade and using this underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty flat diviner brush. I actually have a discount code for everything on Sigma Beauty, their website, so if you want to use it, I have it linked down in the description bar. Then I'm using a different brush, and I'm gonna use this brush to kind of smudge everything out because the flat diviner brush makes it kind of harsh. So you definitely want to go back in with a smudge brush to make everything look softer. Now I used the pencil in my waterline from Dose of Colors, but I actually didn't really like the color, so I went in with a different color. I will make sure to put it down in the description bar. I went for kind of a brownish color, but I think a grayish pencil will be really beautiful as well. I just didn't have one which I liked, so I just went for brown instead. So now I went in with this color and used a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line, and then I went in with a highlighter which was actually for my face and popped that in the inner corner of the eye. I actually used one from Ochre Cosmetics. You can use any highlighter or eyeshadow you want to use for the inner corner that you like. So now I went in with some mascara, and I used the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which is one of my favorites. And then after this I went in with some fake lashes, and I used lashes from my own lash company. The ones that I used are by Anytude in the style Wifey. I will make sure to put the discount code that I have for you guys if you want to try out my lashes. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you're gonna try it out, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and also let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And then of course I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!